Hi, if you are new here, welcome to Best Kitchen Guide. In this channel, we aim to inform you about the latest and greatest tools that are used in kitchen and cooking. If a product passes our rigorous testing, only then it gets recommended by us so that our viewers don't have to face any buyer's remorse. Our evaluating process includes extensive testing, features, and prices. So if you pick the items featured in this video, you can be well assured that you are buying the best product possible. Please check the description below for our featured top 5 product links from Amazon for updated prices. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel. So let's get started.
Our number one choice for top 5 best Dutch oven for camping is Bruntmore Cast Iron Dutch Oven. Bruntmore the pre-seasoned cast iron double Dutch oven is a different pre-seasoned outdoor Dutch oven that has lid that doubles as a cooktop. The body of the Dutch oven can also be utilized as a fryer too. What its flexibility? It also has a non-stick coating of enamel, meaning you don't have to fret about cleaning it afterward. It's ideal for cooking with charcoal or ovens. However, you might not intend to place it on an open fire due to an enamel coated. The Bruntmore 5-quart heavy-duty pre-seasoned quart 2-in-1 cast iron Dutch oven for camping and casserole with lid takes the care of all your cooking needs, from soups and stews, baking and even grilling, roasting, and frying, broiling, braising, and sautéing meats, vegetables and much more. Its sleek, uniform design makes it easy to cook and serve with no hassle option, as well as safe transport and handling. It is ideal for cooking outdoors and indoors in your home or when you go on holiday. Number 2 in our side is Lodge 2-quart Dutch oven. A classic cookware that won't stop, and this Lodge cast iron Dutch oven is a classic, perfect to cook and serve delicious meals. Its Lodge cast iron 2-quart serving pot is a cookware with multiple functions that can be used to cook slow-cooked recipes and your most loved dishes. Make baked stews, soups, and beans. The cookware piece can be moved from the stove to the tabletop to serve. Cast iron is a fan of the campfire, stovetop, or oven. It can cook food items without burning. It holds heat well, and allows you to sear meat with greater heat and keeps your meals hot for long periods of time. It can be used in kitchens or in a camp. This impervious cookware will be used for many generations. Cast iron is the material used to make the pot distributes heat evenly from the bottom to the sides. With a chic black color, the cast iron cookware is a great fit in all kitchens, and doubles as a great source of iron nutrition. This cookware is pre-seasoned and can be used immediately out of the package. The cookware is pre-seasoned to avoid foods from sticking together. The cookware is best when it is thinly coated in vegetable oil prior to using. Third in our best Dutch oven for camping list is Lodge 5QT Camp Dutch Oven. The Lodge 5-quart pre-seasoned Camp Dutch Oven is a classic that can assist you prepare almost every camp-related meal. It's oven-safe, extremely robust, and is one of the top items of the popular Lodge cast iron brand. It's oven-safe, very durable, and the Lodge cast iron double Dutch oven is a beast of a machine. With a lid that transforms into an oven. The domed lid is ideal for roasts and other non-kneading bread recipes, too. The oven distributes heat evenly and efficiently. Its Lodge 5-quart cast iron double Dutch oven is a dream for any cook, equipped with lids that transforms into a 10.25-inch skillet, and an elongated cover that provides the space needed for roasts, recipes that do not require kneading soups, stews and soups. Equipped with loop handles for effortless lifting and control, it offers great heating distribution as well as retention to ensure uniform, even cooking. It is a wealth of options. It can be used to sear, sauté, bake, broil or braise, fry or grill. It is safe to cook in the oven as well as on the stove, grill, or in the campfire. This Lodge cast iron double Dutch oven is built for years of cooking. It's already seasoned with oil to provide an easy release finish that gets better when used. Includes one Lodge 5-quart cast iron double Dutch oven. Our fourth pick is Lodge 8QT Deep Camp Dutch Oven. Lodge's Lodge Mobile Camp Stove is the one that can do it all. The lid is flanged to hold hot coals, and can be inverted to serve as the grill. The legs that are integral permit the oven to be placed perfect in front of the campfire. A well-seasoned seasoning can make everything. Lodge has pre-seasoned cookware, with no chemical additives. It's only vegetable oil derived from soy. The more you cook with your iron, the more seasoned it becomes. Its Lodge Camp Dutch Oven is the one that can do it all. The lid with a flange holds hot coals, and can be inverted to serve as a grill. Set the Dutch oven in a perfect position over hot coals using the legs that are integral to it. To cook meals slowly, put the bail handles above the tripod. Last in this list is Overmont Camp Dutch Oven. Its capacity is 9 quarts, and is able to prepare meals for 5 to 8 people. The lid with a flange can be used as a Dutch oven, can also be utilized as a griddle or as a fry pan. All-round Dutch oven. The legs that connect the lid and pot allow the oven to be placed on top of the campfire. The lid can also serve as a pan for cooking. Additionally, cast iron cookware aren't coated with harmful chemicals. It's a safe, non-stick surface. It is referred to by its name. It is a lifetime pot. In comparison to other pots made of materials such as ceramic, Overmont Dutch Oven is a better choice. Overmont Dutch Oven is made from high-quality cast iron and can last for many years if it is cared to the highest standard. You can use it at the stove as well as inside an oven inside your home. It offers excellent value. It is energy efficient and thus environmentally friendly. The heat will be distributed evenly and retained, which makes it ideal for deep frying, searing, baking, and deep frying. Additionally, it has the benefits of a great heat insulation as well as it has a strong seal, so even novice campers can cook a tasty roast chicken using this pot. Given the heavy mass of the cast iron, Overmont comes with a lid lifter to your Dutch oven. The sturdy handle allows the user to place it on the flames of the open fire. The logo illustration of an eagle on the lid represents the power of freedom, strength, and a desire to live. For details, let's watch more.